Here now the cycle is working automatically. When the weights of the part is within range, then the parts gripped by a gripper and sent to the case. If the part is not within the weight range, then the part goes to reject bin. In fact, we count the number of parts in the case and reject bins. Also, we found the percentage of that. The gripper grip the parts when the part is within the range, and this part is goes to case. If the part is not in within the range, then the gripper do not grip the part, and this part goes to reject bin. In this automatic cycle, we also count the number of parts in the case. Also, we know that false for the cylinders when cylinder extend limit switch did not turn on when output is on. Also, we keep track of how long a device has been running to signal for maintenance. We also keep track of how many times a cylinder has extended to signal for maintenance. This data stored in another tags. We also convert the analog input signal to the weights. We also calculate parts passed to a rejected. We also keep track of how long a device has been running to signal for maintenance. If the cycle is running for 50 times, then it indicates for maintenance. The cycle is running completely when I press the gear off button, then the cycle will stop. To run again,